Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a video on how I make my art scenes. I have promised to do this and you can just see how I fold it. It's pretty easy. It's an A4 sized paper and I used a jelly print and I have a little guest on my piece of paper. This folding technique is very common and it's, I believe, around forever. My daughter brought a lot of home from school and she was in primary school, and I was inspired because I watched a video from Helen from Journal with Purpose, and I will link her channel in the video description. And she made herself some journal zines because she's a journal girl and she does a lot of journaling, and I thought I should make some art scenes with my jelly prints because I have so many jelly prints and that's a nice way to use them. Now you have to cut this crease. It's a bit hard to see from the folded edge to the middle. You will see how I do it. And now you can just flip that over and you can make a little booklet, but before I will fold this completely together, I will glue some of the pages together and I will create 2 pockets. You can of course create 4 pockets. I prefer 2 because I feel it's a bit more, as the outside pages are glued together, it's a bit more stable and it is more straight when you fold it. I make sure how I have to add the glue to make some pockets for the other 2 pages, and I just add a little bit of it to the bottom. Now I start by sticking the full pages together, that I have the whole piece full with glue, and then when I fold it I will press the pockets together. And now it's also very easy to fold everything over and you will see it will lay up pretty straight. Of course, when you fold it at the beginning you have to take care that everything is as lined up as possible. And that's the little booklet. Of course, I will decorate the cover with you. And I also will make some tags. I have searched through my jelly prints and looked for papers with similar colors, and I want to use those for the tags I want to put into the pockets. These 2 prints are made with alcohol inks on the gel plate, and I used alcohol lift ink together with some stamps to create that texture. I think they are really cool because they are super grungy, and I think maybe I will use this one, but first I want to have a look on the others. Maybe I like another one more. This I think is pretty nice because the colors are matching. Here I have similar colors like on the one before, and I also like this one together with the book. That's also not bad, but maybe a little bit too dark. And as the last one has the same pattern, I think I will go with one of those. I plan to fill this little zine with some artist trading cards, and as I have these picked out, I will go with the one that matches my colors. I've cut some tags with a die from Stamplorations, and they are fitting perfectly into these pockets. And what I like about those tags or those jelly prints is that I have some color also on the back side. What I want to use to decorate the cover are some handmade stickers. I also used the Gelli plate for them, and I think their colors are matching my zine very well. If you are interested in some Gelli printing videos, then you can just wait until the end of this video and I will link up some of them to the end cards. I'm not 100% sure if the stickers will stay in place, so maybe I will cover everything with a thin layer of gel medium just to make sure everything is okay. I'm not 100% sure which sticker I want to use on the bottom. I think I picked this one. A while ago I purchased a Gelli plate which is bigger than my biggest plate. It's bigger than an A4 sheet, so I can print a full A4 sheet. But what I learned is that I think it's much more difficult to print with a big plate in comparison to a small one. And here I'm just covering everything with a thin layer of gel medium, so I am sure that the stickers won't come off. I will let this dry and then come back and we will finish the cover. I want to use that leafy stamp from the pencil mark stamp set, and I just want to stamp it directly to the cover. I'm using StazOn ink as it works best on a non-porous surface, which acrylic paint obviously is, and it dries pretty fast. If you only have archival inks, of course you can use those too. I also want to stamp this branch to the tags. Seems I decided to pick the flower stamp for the other tag. Yes, I thought it matches the cover a little bit better, and so I have two different images. I'm adding some more texture with stamping to the cover using kind of a pinkish ink. To make this branch pop from the background, I will use the white Posca paint pen. And I'm just filling in the whole branch. As I told you already, I want to adhere some artist trading cards into this zine, always on the left side of the pages. And then there is room on the right side to journal in, or to write in some good quotes, or just to gift it to a friend as a little journal. I think it's a really nice idea. I thought I need some of that white splatters. I love using splatters on my work, and I'm using acrylic ink for that. And to make everything look cohesive, I decided to use some black splatters on the tags. My splatters are dry and I have adhered a word to the cover which says create, and it's from the journal words stamp set. And now I'm going to glue in the artist trading cards. I will just use a normal glue stick for that. I really like that clip as a closure, but of course you can use a rubber band. I have a lot of them here because I bought every single set in an action store and I think they are so pretty, and also my daughter likes them to make bracelets. And I think the gold one looks really nice together with this little zine. I'm just tying that rubber band around the journal, and as it's elastic you can pull it off and on. And this was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you have fun making your own zine. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye!